Good morning from Phoenix Genesis, coming live from the Pacific Crest Trail, day 14. I think it's May 5th, Sunday. Yes, I Cowboy camped at Eagle Rock, and not the one in Glendale, California, where I'm from, but the one on the Pacific Crest Trail here we are by Warner Springs. Yes, I Cowboy camped here. Isn't that kind of cool? Oh, it is so cold right now. Oh, look at that. Let's get out. Oh, hello, Mr. Eagle. Oh, yes, here's my little cowboy camping setup with some extra clothes, and I got the Neo Air, and then my little Western Mountaineering 20-degree underquilt, and the Walmart blanket from Scissors, and set up. The little water bottles are nice and cold. Yes, chilling. Still, I think got a little of the Ode to Squirrel one from the Dead Squirrel Feral Springs. Wasn't there when I got there. That was a couple days before. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm going to be bad. I'm going to walk in my sleep socks. It doesn't matter because I'm going to be in Warner Springs. And isn't this gorgeous? It's absolutely spectacular. Here, we'll walk over here. Got the whole place to myself. Oh yeah, so at 2 in the morning, I thought it was alien invasion, and it was some guy who parked his car at Warner Springs. His girlfriend hiked up for some astral photography for an hour, and I'm like, great, I'm sleeping. So there it is. The eagle has landed. Yay! But yeah, that was kind of fun. But they were quiet. I was so dead to the wind. 6 sheets of wind. I was like fast asleep. So there we are. Nice little panoramic. The beautiful sunrise. It only took me 2 weeks to get here. But it was so worth it. I was so cold, but I pushed myself last night so I could be here at sunrise. Isn't that just gorgeous? What a pretty natural rock formation, you know? Anyway, I'm cold. I'm gonna go back to my sleeping bag. So yeah, Pacific Crest Trail is quite adventurous. I could not believe all the cool things I saw. In the last 2 weeks, it's been quite an adventure. So anyway, I hope you come out here someday. See you on the trail. Bye.